In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft One Block in Java Edition. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download the One Block map. You will be able to play it on any version of Java Edition, and you can set up the map and play however you like. So all that you have to do to download the map is to open a web browser and find the specific version that you would like to download. For this video, I downloaded this one Block Original Trials 1.21 by Crappy, available on CurseForge. But there are various different variations of One Block, and you can choose the one that you would like to use. They might have slight differences, but for the most part, the idea is the same. So once you find a specific map that you would like to play, just click on download. Usually, you will receive the map in a sort of zip or RAR file. So all that you have to do now is open the zip file. Inside of the zip file, you will see this folder that contains the actual map. Now, to extract it into Minecraft, all that you have to do is press Windows plus R and open the Run window. Type %appdata% and click OK. Now go over to .minecraft and access this saves folder. Inside of saves, just drag and drop this folder here for One Block, according to the map that you downloaded. Now go back inside of Minecraft, make sure that you are on the appropriate version, select single player, and then choose One Block, and then you will be able to play One Block in Java Edition, according to the specific version of the map that you chose. If you encounter any problems, make sure that you are on the appropriate version for the map, and if you want to set up a server, you will have to host a local server using the server jar file, or use a hosting service like Eternals if you want a free alternative, or a paid solution where they will host a server for you and your friends. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft One Block in Java Edition. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.